I started Gold Genie in 1995. Basically, it was a mobile gold plating service. Our first customer was Lexus, and at the time I used to drive around all the dealerships, wake up 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, drive to Manchester, Birmingham, back down Milton Keynes, and yes, I started my business. In about 2 months of starting, I was working for the entire Lexus network. The reason why I decided to come on to Dragon's Den, I actually had been successful twice to come onto the Dragon's Den, but each time the car was outside my house, I actually sent the car away. I thought, I don't need Dragon's Den. And what happened was, I had a very, very dear friend around the last time I turned down Dragon's Den, and he died. And it dawned on me that, my goodness me, this guy could have been anything he wanted to be, but fear held him back. So I kind of made a promise to myself that I wouldn't let fear hold me back in my life. So when they called me again, the third time, I said yes.
When Laban White Rooms first walked into Dragon's Den, and I saw that sparkle in his teeth, I thought, you know what, anything that's bling has got my name on it. And his story on how he started, his determination, his passion, his absolute focus on success, for me, captured my imagination. I love to see people who are driven, who are motivated. And what was interesting for me with Gold Genie is what he does isn't unique, but I think Laban himself is very unique.
We've been stocking Gold Genie products for coming up to a year now. We have a number of products which sell very well. For the Elton John AIDS Foundation, there is a limited edition iPod Nano, which has been engraved with Swarovski crystals, and they are doing fantastically well at the moment, and it's very exciting. Laban and Gold Genie have been absolutely fantastic with So Connected. He has a product that fits in with So Connected very, very well.
In the current economic climate, one of the things that makes Gold Genie very attractive is Laban's got a good track record of success. And what I love about what he's doing today is offering that opportunity to people out there who are looking for a way of making money for themselves, finding independence, being self-employed, and really replicating Laban's success. So the opportunity to join forces with Gold Genie today, in a franchised opportunity, I think absolutely makes a lot of sense, and now could not be a better time.
Well, I approached Gold Genie when I wanted actually for Gold Genie to do some work for me. I then got made redundant in November. The company closed down. And I thought, well, as I was talking to Laban, I thought it was an ideal opportunity to take his business forward. And I joined forces and took a machine and gone from there. It's been great.
The business opportunity is actually quite close to my heart. I started, as I said, the business in 1995. I used to walk with the actual machine on my back, knocking on people's doors. So to help people through that process and to kind of fast track them to actually making money by buying into our business opportunity has been one of the most fulfilling things that I've ever done.
What I've done, my company is Unique Plating, and that is one of 4 businesses that I've decided to launch, small businesses. They're all interconnected. The car business is called Platinum Automotive, and the Formula One business is called Racing Gold. And they're all moving forward at a similar pace, and there's some very exciting things in the future for the plating business.
I believe in Laban Rooms, we have a gem in the making.
I feel that it's the right dragon that picked me. Because James actually invests in real businesses in real life. He's not just here trying to be famous or on some sort of game show having a laugh. He actually does this in his real life. So I feel I'm in good hands.
Working with Laban is very challenging because he's very demanding. He knows what he wants, he knows where he's going, and he's absolutely determined to be there. He's one of the few investments that I have where I get emails at 3 o'clock in the morning, Sunday afternoon, Saturday evening. This guy does not stop. He is a man on a mission.
The future is really bright for Gold Genie, how I see it. We're working with Premiership footballers, celebrities, artists, and we are probably set to double or treble our income this time next year.